Chhaya Sharma. So friends, today in this class, we are discussing about the third and last method of solving the pair of linear equation in two variables, that is cross multiplication method. So for explaining this method, I am taking example. That is, in first equation I am taking x plus y equals to 5 and second one is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. As you are seeing here, this is another form of equation that is just reverse of other methods. So these equation can be written in the form of x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, that is our first equation, and this 2x minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. So now we can find the value of x and y easily by two formulas. So for x, we have x equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and for y we have y equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. These are the formulas for finding the value of x and y. So as I have told you about ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So in this equation you can see here our a1 is y, our a1 is x, and b1 is y, and c1 is minus 5. And in second equation our a1 is 2, b1 is 1, our a2 is 2, b2 is minus 3, and c2 is minus 4. So now we are putting here a1 is 1, b1 is also 1, and c1 is minus 5. And for second equation our a2 is 2, b2 is minus 3, and our c2 is minus 4. So now for finding the value of x, I am putting here formula, that is x equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now I am putting these values in the formula, so by which we can get the value of x. So b1 is 1 here, into c2 is minus 4, minus b2 is minus 3 here, into c1 is minus 5, upon a1 is 1, into b2 is minus 3, minus a2 is 2, into b1 is 1. So now 1 into minus 4 will be minus 4, and here minus 15 upon minus 3 minus 2. So we are getting here minus 19 upon minus 5. So the value of x is 19 upon 5 we get here by this formula. And it is easy to find the value of y also. So for finding the value of y, I am putting here formula, that is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So now I am putting the values that is written here. So c1 is minus 5, into a2 is 2, minus c2 is here minus 4, into a1 is 1, upon a1 is 1, into b2 is minus 3, minus a2 is 2, into b1 is 1. So now minus 5 into 2 is minus 10, and plus 4, and there upon minus 3 minus 2. So we are getting here minus 6 upon minus 5. So the value of y is 6 upon 5. So we get the value of x and y as 19 upon 5 and 6 upon 5. So I am closing my topic here. If you are understanding this topic easily, so please like this video, share this video to your friends by which they can also understand this easily, and comment me your doubts if you are having any doubts, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.